Hello, my name is Jose Sainz. I work at the Fraunhofer IFF in Magdeburg, Germany, in the Department of Robotic Systems. I'm the group leader for assistive, service, and industrial robots. And I've been working in robots, robotic safety, human-robot interaction, and standardization. And I've been at Fraunhofer for over 20 years now. My talk is divided up into 3 modules. First module is product safety. The second module is about standardization and how that relates to product safety. And the third module is post-sales duties. Within the module of product safety, we will talk about the questions, how is product safety achieved? And this is, of course, within the context of the EU. What is a conformity declaration? What roles does this play for me as both a manufacturer and as a user of products? What do I need to consider specifically when AI is involved in these products? We also talk about what a risk assessment is and how that is done very generally, and what we need to know as a manufacturer and as a user of products. In the second module, we talk about standardization and look at, focus on the questions of what is a standard? How are these made? How are these different types of standards that are there, and what is a so-called harmonized standard? We also address the question of what's the difference between a standard and a law. And as a final step, we provide you with an overview of what standards are available that can help me understanding the issues regarding AI and product safety in products in the European context. The final module looks at post-sales duties and basically answers the question of what these are and what we have to consider both as a manufacturer and as an end user, and what the role of the member states here is, again, within the European context. So what you'll see is some of the details about these different levels of content. And then what we also provide are some examples and some fictional use cases about how this plays out both as the manufacturer and from the user perspective. We hope that by doing so, you'll have a little more understanding of your responsibilities. You'll understand where you can look further to get more details. Of course, within the 45-minute seminar, it's not possible to talk about all of the different situations that can arise. Again, as I said, our focus is on looking at robotics that are using AI, and then there's different ways that it can be used within that context. So what can happen and what you need to consider. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate you taking the time to see this short overview so you get a teaser of what is in the full seminar. And I hope you have the time both to look at our seminar and for all of the other ones that were made within the Regulate project. We hope these are of use to you. And any feedback is, of course, welcome. You can contact me through these different channels. Thank you very much.